The Sukhoi Su-57, or known by the NATO code Felon, is a fifth-generation fighter aircraft designed by Sukhoi, Russia. This aircraft combines stealth technology, super maneuverability capabilities, and advanced avionics systems, making it one of the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world. Design and technology. The Su-57 is built with composite materials that reduce radar cross-section and increase strength and durability. This aircraft is equipped with the zhuhai 117 or AL-41F1 engine, which allows the aircraft to reach Mach 2 speeds without using afterburners super cruisy. In addition, the Su-57 has thrust vectoring control, which provides extraordinary maneuverability. Avionics and weapons. The Su-57's avionics system is highly integrated with very fast data processing capabilities, allowing pilots to have high situational awareness on the battlefield. Its armament includes air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, as well as guided bombs and internal weapons that reduce its radar signature. Strengths and weaknesses. The main advantage of the Su-57 is its combination of stealth, super maneuverability, and supersonic speed without afterburners. This makes it very effective in air-to-air combat and precision strikes against ground targets.